Hello guys, welcome back to our Laravel 5.8 CRUD application. So in our last part, I have shown you how to insert data into your database. I have shown you how to view the data from the database. So in this part 4, I will show you how to edit the data and how to delete the data as well from the database. So let's get to our code. Okay. Let's open our blade file, our create.blade file. And inside our create.blade file here, we need to copy all this code and open our edit.blade file and paste all here. And inside here, we need some changes so that we can able to do our edit. Okay. So let's first change this register to edit, and let's change this store to update, and we add a parameter, one parameter student variable like this. It will be an add ID. In here we need a method called put. Okay, so it will be like this. Okay, let's close here. Inside the input we will add values there, so let's add value. It will be like this. Okay, and open our two curly brackets, we'll close it. We need variable student here as well, like this. So we add the first name, okay, and the last name as well. We need value. Open our curly bracket, close it. We need variable student here as well. So it should be like this, last name. So in gender as well, we need value. It will be like this. We need a variable student like this, gender. And in country as well, we need value. It will be like this. We need variable student like this. It will be country. In city as well, we need value. This. So we need variable student as well. To be like this, we need straight city here. So in address, we don't need any value, but we need to open our curly brackets and our variable student there with this address column name. Okay, I think this is it. So in register, we will change it to update button. Okay. So let's go back to our controller. So inside our controller here, in our show function here, is similarly the same with the edit function here, because we are showing our existing database, because we are showing our record from the database by student ID. Okay, so let's grab this all stuffs here, and we come to edit function. We paste it here, and what we need to edit this show to edit blade. Okay, so let's check in our browser. So here I will, you see, let's refresh here. Okay, let's refresh. Okay, after refreshing, let's edit this record, this Halagie Singhateh. Okay, with ID number 1, let's edit this number. Okay, you see, we have all his. Okay, we don't have his last name. Let's check back to the edit blade. What have I read there? The last name is what? The last name is like this. So the last name should come. Why we don't have his last name? Let's go back and check. Right here, yeah, his last name should come here. His last name is not coming. Why? Let's go back to the edit. Student last name. Why? So it means just okay. Let's check the value. Oh, I made a mistake. I write 2a with the value. So let's refresh. You see, we have everything here. We have the name, the last name, the gender. Okay. So to update this data, we need to write another query in the controller. So in the controller, in the controller here, in update function, let's get down here and write some code here, update our existing record in our database. So first of all, I will write variable request. It will be like this. Write variable request. Let's validate our column first before going further. Let's make it like this. So it will be like this, first name. But I think let's copy all these things because it's all the same validation. So we copy this and come back here. It will help us to save our time. So we paste this in here. So that's all. And let's get down here. We need to write array here. So variable students will okay, let's get down here. In here we need a variable. So I will write students will be equals to array. Let's make it like this. So inside this array we need all these things again back. So I will copy all and paste it here, but we need some changes. Okay, so I will remove this require. Okay, then I will add something like request to be like this. Okay, so request with the name, first name. Okay, it will be like this. Why? Okay, so this will be like this. So here as well, we don't need this here. Okay, so here as well we need to add request and remove the require last name. So all will be like this. So we don't need this, we don't need this, we don't need all this thing. Just write request like this, gender. Okay, we don't need this. We need the variable request. because we are taking this request from here, this request here. So let's make it like this, country. Okay. We need request again, variable request. So it will be like this, city. And here as well, we need variable request. It will be, variable request. It will be like address. Okay. So here we are. So now let's close this and get down. Here we need to write the model name. Student column where ID equals to ID. This ID here. Okay. So after that, here I will make it like update. It will be like this, update student. That's all we need. Update variable student. Because I will remove this one to make it one student. Okay, to be update student. Okay, so that's it. Okay, that's it. So let's return back, return redirect, return redirect, route. The route will be student dot index. Okay, and let's add the width here for the class success. For message, I will add that message later in the blade file. We can say success. The first parameter will be success, and the second one will be student successful. Student successful updated. Okay, so that's what we need. Okay, that's what we need here. That's all. So let's go back to our edit here, edit function. In our edit function here, so on top here, let's create in here where is it? Okay, in here let's create edit error function here. So we add if error, if errors like this, it will be like this. Any function. So let's get down and write the class alert. Okay, the class will be alert. The class will be alert. Okay, alert danger, like that. So inside here we need to add strong text like this. So we need to write here our message. So I will say that sorry, use a check back your code check back your input like this. So after this, I will add here your data. Your data is so in here I will write your process failed. Please try again. Okay, like this. So I will add two BR break tags. Okay, like this. Oh, what's this thing coming about? Okay, like this. So let's open here, down here. You write URL, and inside this URL we need for each, okay, for each function. We need for each errors, like this. For each errors, our function to be like this. Okay, with the all function, let's insert hash error. Okay, sorry, it's raining here, so we write li. Inside this li we occur our error variable here. Okay, like this. So that's all. Let's end it for each here and for each. Okay, now let's go back to the index. So dashboard here. So at the top here, let's add the message for success. Let's say if like this, if message equals to session get success. So let's get down and write the class here, alert success, to be alert. So success will be here, alert success. Okay, so inside here you write SP. Inside here you write inside here you write the paragraph. Apa? Yeah, you write paragraph message. Okay, so let's end the if down here. After the if, we end the if here, and if. I think that's all. So let's check our code. Yeah, we have everything here. So now I will change this name. I'll change this name to Silla. Okay, Halagie Silla, and this Halagie I change it as well to be like this. So the country will be the Gambia. Okay, so the address will be like this. The address will be Serakunda. City will be Banjul. Okay, so let's update and see. Okay, it's already updated. You see, we have Halagie here, we have Silla, we have the country, the Gambia, we have name Banjul. Okay, now we have our this functionality. Edit functionality is working now. So let's work with delete functionality here. Okay, let's add another one here. Another, I will say, GT, gender is male, country the Gambia, city. I will just write random, okay? Serekunda, the address will be Latrikunda Sabiji, like this, okay? Let's add this one. Okay, register new student. Boom, you see we have our register new student, we have Lamin here. Okay. So okay, let's add another one again. Let's add another record. That will be female. So I will say Geneva, female. So the country is Gambia. City is, I can say, Banjul, Bundung, okay? Bundung. So let's register. Okay, we have our third student inside here. So let's add our last one. Our last student will be Ibrahim Jata, okay? Gender male, country Gambia, city is a Kanifing, Wiringara, okay? So it will be like this. Let's add this one. We have added all here. We have added 4 records. So we can show each of them. So let's click this show. You see, Lamin GT is here. Male gender, everything is here. So let's get back. We can edit Lamin GT again. See, we can edit Lamin GT, and this will be the city. Change the city to Kanifing, okay? Like this. So let's update. Okay, you see Lamin GT is updated now. See, city is Kanifing. So here you see student successful updated. Okay? You see? Student successful updated. Okay. So now we need to do this delete functionality here. So let's go back to our code. Inside our code here, in the delete part, here, let's go to our controller. Okay, in the delete part here, the part 7, we need the same functionality but different, okay? We need this one and paste it here. Okay. Now we don't need this one. Let's write our own, okay? Let's say students equals to the model student like this. So we will say find or fail function here. So I will add the ID inside here. So let's get down and write student, variable students, variable students like this, delete function to be like this. So let's return this thing back, return redirect to be like this, route will be like this. You can write here route to be like this. So inside here students dot index to be like this. We can say which message success like this, and this parameter will be student successfully deleted like this. So let's go to the index dashboard here. Let's search for this one. Okay, here we need a method here. In here we need a method of delete method. Okay, the method will be like this, delete. Okay, so let's refresh. So I will try to delete this first record. Click delete. Page expired. So let's refresh. Okay. So now I will try and delete this first record. Okay, let's click it. Click expire. Okay. Let's click this delete. Gitu. Add method. we need to put this thing because we need okay, I thought we put this CSRF, so let's add here CSRF CSRF like this. What the fuck? And now user series successfully deleted, and I delete this one as well, this laryngeal. Let's delete it. Click. Okay, come in. Student successful delete. Now we have only 2 records here, so we can add another one again. We can add halagie singhatehalagie like this. Oops, okay, it's already. So we have it here. We have halagie singhatehalagie here back. So let's add another one again and make it lamin. Okay, let's make it lamin GT. So let's make it lamin GT. There will be mail, country, Indonesia. Okay, Jakarta, like this. Okay, it's added. Okay, so let's add one here. It will be Mamasi. Mamasi, and gender will be male. Country, the Gambia. City, like Jakarta. Let's make it like this. Banting, like Banting, and the address will be Jalan Purnawarman, like this. Let's add it. Have so everything is added now. You see, we have 5 records here, and we can able to delete, show, and edit these records. So here is our CRUD application. Thank you so much. If you have any requests or any comment regards to the application, please leave your comment to the comment section. I will get back to you and fulfill your requests. So thank you.